Government agencies mark the start of National Disaster Resilience Month by urging Filipinos to adopt a mindset shift when it comes to disasters. Paulo Barcelon reports.
The Office of Civil Defense, alongside various government and civic organizations, led the kickoff for the 2025 National Disaster Resilience Month in a bid to try and get more Filipinos involved and prepared for various disasters. OCD Deputy Administrator for Operation Cesar Idio says achieving this goal is not just a thing that can be achieved in a day or in a year.
Disaster readiness is not a one-time goal, rather a dynamic and evolving practice that persistently requires sustained effort and constant progress.
In the first half of 2025 alone, the country has seen multiple threats of natural disasters, such as volcanic activity and flash floods. Veteran rescue Dr. Ted Esguerra says areas under joint threat of both volcanoes and rainfall should prepare not just in terms of information, but also in terms of their disaster response capabilities.
We have flash flood, groundwater flooding. We have urban flooding, we have riverine flooding, coastal flooding, all sorts of flooding. Now, if you mix it with lahar, the more it's very destructive kasi ang tubig pwede nang sumira ng ari-arian, kumitin ng buhay, dagdagan mo pa ng mga bato na ipagulong niya with respect to the elevation kung saan siya dumadaan.
Esguerra also says with the advent of social media, fake news about disasters can be a threat to public awareness. He shares 3 tips on how to spot fakes in terms of news about disasters, the first one being checking if the post came from reputable news organizations.
Una, medyo mahirap to. Tingnan nyo kung yung nag-post ay legit. So alam natin legit kasi sila talaga yung may karapatang mag-post. Number 2, tingnan mo if it's too much rigged with emotion. Because when you are reading features or straight news, these are not really emotional. These are just data and statistics of facts happening around. And pangatlo, let's be cautious and pause for a while. Kasi meron tayong tinatawag na mga unintentional spreader. Ito yung mga taong hindi naman masama. Nag-post lang sila kasi sa tingin nila baka makatulong. Pero hindi nila na-verify. So, unintentional spreader. Kasi minsan, mahirap rin i-analyze ang mga issues, lalo na uso na ang AI ngayon.
The OCD, meanwhile, has tapped actor Dingdong Dantes in its revitalized Panatag Pilipinas campaign to help spread the word in fact-checking about disasters. Infomercials featuring him will now be shown in public screens in select malls, cinemas, and other locations nationwide in a bid to deliver basic information on what to do before, during, and after disasters. Paulo Barcelon, Billionario News Channel.